I'm posting my most viral recipes for the next 30 days. And this is recipe number 1, my 30-minute tomato garlic rigatoni. There's actually 8 garlic cloves in this recipe, so you already know it's going to be bursting with flavor. Not to mention, this is the perfect time of year to make this recipe as we welcome the beginning of tomato season. The whole base of the sauce is juicy and sweet cherry tomatoes combined with the garlic creates such a fresh flavor. The reason we add wine is to deglaze the bottom of the pan. And never forget to add a little sugar to the tomato sauce to balance out the natural acidity of the tomatoes. All that's left to do is add heavy cream, some freshly chopped parsley, and let that sauce simmer and thicken before adding in the al dente rigatoni, and that is it. Comment yes, and I'll send you the link to the full recipe. And let me know if you try it. That's one recipe. This may be controversial, but this is the best lazy girl dinner ever. All you have to do is bake salmon, feta, and baby potatoes for just 15 minutes and boil some pasta in salted water while it's baking. Finally, mash everything up with a fork, add some seasonings, and mix in the al dente penne pasta. You'll have just made the quickest and easiest lazy girl dinner. Comment pasta and I'll send you the link to the full recipe. This juicy salmon feta penne is a great source of protein and only takes It's finally time to reshare one of my most popular pasta recipes, my 20-minute creamy broccoli pasta. It's so quick and easy to make. We start off by sauteing some chopped broccoli and onions along with some minced garlic before adding in some heavy cream along with some freshly grated mozzarella cheese. All that's left to do is add in our spices, the al dente pasta, and finally some parmigiano reggiano. And that's it. Comment pasta and I'll send you the link to the full recipe. This is going to be your new favorite quick and easy meal. Let me know if you try this recipe.
I was shocked when my mom, the queen of fried rice, said she might never make it any other way. This is her sheet pan fried rice, where everything comes together on a single sheet pan and the edges of the rice get super crispy. The flavors are inspired by Benihana, where she used to work in college, and we really hope you try this one. Enjoy! I learned just about everything I know about cooking from my mom, and her recipes are my favorite. This is her creamy broccoli pasta, and I love it because it's creamy and decadent, but it's not overly heavy with tons of fresh broccoli running through the sauce. I hope you try it. It's something that everybody loves, and I hope you enjoy. This super easy egg roll bowl is packed with savory Asian flavor and a crunch in every bite. It comes together quickly, made with ground chicken and slaw mix, and is perfect for those days when you feel like you don't have that much energy to cook. It gets a crunch inside and out from water chestnuts and those crispy wonton strips, and I hope you try it. It is so flavorful.